Well, hello there. This is my entry into the Zoke Kitchen competition with Chef Yem's spicy peppered plantains with chicken Riro. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is that we are going to separate and we're going to blend two sets of peppers. One is going to be roughly blended and the other is going to be smoothly blended. The one that is rough is we're going to blend it with some ginger and garlic. And while we're at it, let me just tell you guys a little story. While I was recreating this recipe, I actually knew that it was going to taste really good because the ingredients spoke for themselves. But I did not expect it to come out as flavorful as it did. Like, it was a spicy flavor bomb. And I really want to commend Chef Yem for coming up with this recipe and the Zoke Kitchen for, bringing him on and for, sharing his recipe with us, with the world and everything. And I really want to recommend this recipe to you guys. You guys should really try this out. You'd really fall in love with it, just as I have. And I also want you guys to, comment, show some love on this video. Let's see where it gets us. Comment, repost, share, like, everything. And yeah, that's all, guys. Bye.